Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. Do you want to work in Canada as a fruit picker? Fruit picking jobs in Canada are in high demand due to the country's large fruit farming industry. You will not only get a job but also visa sponsorship as a foreign worker. Farming companies in Canada are hiring fruit farm workers. Usually the farming companies in Canada provide accommodation, food, health insurance and other benefits to the foreign workers. Most of the time, companies cover the relocation costs also. It means your traveling expenses are also paid the employers. Moreover, fruit pickers can make from $14 up to $22 per hour, depending on different job factors. Fruit picking jobs are the best for those looking to immigrate to Canada on temporary work permits, work in a beautiful natural environment and earn a good salary. Fruit picking jobs in Canada. Fruit picker is an unskilled occupation, and falls under the category of harvesting laborers. The National Occupation Classification, NOC, code for fruit picker is 85101. You do not need any degree or any high level of education to work as a fruit picker in Canada. Don't worry if you do not have any work experience in this field. Farming companies usually provide on-job training to the temporary foreign workers when they arrive in Canada. Requirements for fruit picking jobs in Canada. As announced by the National Occupation Classification of Canada. 1. This job does not require any formal education. 2. No professional certification or licensing is required. 3. Don't have experience, no worries. 3. This job does not avenue any work experience requirement. 4. But it is recommended to have knowledge of fruit farming, picking and packing works. 5. Physical fitness is required because fruit picking job is a combination of sitting, standing for long hours, walking and repetitive tasks in fast-paced environment. 6. Language proficiency tests are not mandatory, but having good communication skills are important. 7. Be ready to work overtime, more than 8 hours a day. 8. Plus point is having a cooperative nature. A best team player is always a best employee. Duties of a fruit picker in Canada. 1. Check fruits quality and prepare for market. 2. Sort and pack fruits and vegetables. 3. Pick row and orchard crops. 4. Mix and prepare soils. 5. Mixing fertilizer. 6. Harvesting seedlings. 7. Hand harvesting vegetables. 8. Plant, cultivate and irrigate crops. 9. Load, unload and transfer crates. 10. Write daily basic progress reports. 11. Operate and maintain farm machinery and equipment. It is not necessary for every fruit picker to do all these tasks. Different tasks may be assigned to different employees. It depends on the work location and farms. Finding fruit picking jobs in Canada. Many fruit picking job vacancies are available in Canada. The most authentic portal for finding a job in Canada is JobBank Canada. But, all the vacancies on JobBank Canada are not for foreign workers. As a foreign worker, outside Canada, you need to look for those vacancies which are available for international candidates. How to apply? 1. Write a proper Canadian Standard Resume, CV. 1. Sample format of Canadian Standard Resume can be found here. 2. Write a cover letter for your job application. 2. It must include the job category, which is harvesting laborer, and the NOC code, which is 85101. 3. Next step is to apply online. 3. These two websites are the best to apply. 1. Jobs in Canada. 2. JobBank Canada. 1. Search for fruit picker, fruit farm worker, fruit farm laborer, or harvesting laborer. 1. Send your resume and cover letter to the farming companies which are looking to hire international foreign workers. Visa sponsorship for fruit picking jobs. To work as a fruit picker or fruit farm worker in Canada needs a work permit. The best immigration pathway to apply for work permit is Temporary Foreign Workers Program, TFWP. The agricultural stream under TFWP allows foreign workers to apply for a temporary work permit of Canada as a fruit picker or harvesting laborer. NOC 85101. This stream follows strict policy towards employers who want to hire a temporary foreign worker as well as keeps an eye on the rights of a foreign worker while working in Canada. The candidates will get an employer-specific work permit of Canada, which allows them to work in Canada with a specific employer and for a specific job position. Benefits to work as a fruit picker in Canada. Canadian immigration instruct employers hiring TFW. 1. No recruitment fees should be charged from a foreign worker to get hired in Canada. 2. Return air ticket cost must be paid by the company. 3. Company must provide a suitable and affordable accommodation to the temporary foreign worker, TFW. 4. Employer must provide everyday transportation to the TFW to and from the on-site, off-site accommodation to the work location. 5. Employer must provide appropriate health insurance to the TFW for their medical needs. 6. Employers are not allowed to take the ID or travel document, passport, from a foreign worker. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.